so impressionable that
But you
they
don't
feel
have
love.
to like spell it out like that, no? That they're 2 generations younger.
Okay, we don't have to. But 2 generations. Sorry.
You said 25 years, that's enough.
Nah, that's enough. Bol diya already. I want you to watch some fun things that some of them said. I think you're going to enjoy it. Let's have a look.
Happy 25th birthday to कुछ कुछ होता है. Congratulations कुछ कुछ होता है. आप बड़ी हो गई हैं. आपकी शादी की उम्र हो चुकी है. दहेज में आपको 8 चिट्ठियां मिली. That's what it is.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai turns 25, an epic film that changed pop culture. There were some great songs, there were some great dialogues, and this was also Karan's debut as a filmmaker.
Big fan of Anjali. So upset with herself. Has short hair. Will do anything to get boys' attention. Play basketball. Do his homework. Hard relate. Anjali was you, will be you, will always make sure that I will be you and all my daughters will be you.
I have spent at least 3% of my parents' net worth on friendship bands. I had tried so hard for the last 25 years to find Shah Rukh Khan's polo sports shirt to wear to the gym.
But you, Tina, you, the OG hot girl, the girl who wore that short orange skirt and entered the college and changed everything. तब तक सब कुछ ठीक जा रहा था. But you came from London with your no British accent attitude. You proved that London से जो भी आता है, Britain से जो भी आता है, वो take over करके ही जाता है.
I had a daughter just so she could help me find my soulmate. I currently have 16 daughters across various summer camps in India.
Also, Tina, you were the one who mocked Anjali the most when she wore that pink colored costume with the pink color lipstick and the pink color hairband. Hey man, she was the OG Barbie, okay? And you turned out to be a very bad Ken. Why did you do that? तू सबसे पहले हंसी. तू हंसे बिना सबको रोक सकती थी ना कि प्लीज मत हंसो मेरे दोस्त पे. Actually, मैं तब भी तुझे hate करती.
I must say, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai has completely ruined my life because now I find it extremely dissatisfying to be friends with someone without a little sexual tension between us. Like, तुम नहीं समझोगे. Exactly, sir. मैं नहीं समझूंगी.
My biggest problem of कुछ कुछ होता है, the plot point that did not work for me is Rifat was so nice. कोई landlady या hostel warden इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है. तो Rifat was too nice to all the girls. In fact, Rifat wanted Anjali to quote unquote have fun with Rahul. When was the last time a warden or a landlady told you to do that?
3 things I cannot wrap my head around in the movie. 1, Kajol has basically invented ASMR when she goes like, no music.
Why couldn't Rani Mukherjee just leave an email address for Kajol? Or just like, hey, here's the phone number, Anjali. You can contact Anjali here. This was her previous residential address.
Why did Tina think it was a good idea to entrust her 8-year-old with getting her dad laid? What is wrong with her?
I mean, at 8, Choti Anjali, I was kind of eating mud.
It's about time you guys invest in a dating app called Anjali that is exclusively for children to help them find good matches for their parents.
आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम थी कि अंजलि ने अमन को क्यों नहीं चुना. द रियल प्रॉब्लम इज कि राहुल सबको झूठ बोल रहा था पूरे मूवी में. वो सबको बोल रहा था कि गाइस प्यार एक बार होता है, शादी एक बार होता है, नहाना एक बार होता है, लेकिन खुद तो 2 बार करके गया वो सब कुछ. हाँ, और अमन को एक बार भी कुछ भी करने नहीं दिया वो.
There were 2 love triangles in 3 hours in this film. Why wasn't the film called Bahut Kuch Hota Hai?
Sorry, Karan, it's 2023 and you're not directing the film. I am. So basically, Tina kind of lives on in a polyamorous relationship with Rahul and Anjali, and the 3 of them have like a really cute life together. And I just feel like everybody has thought of them as a trio of lovers, and I've just had the courage to say it. So that's my ending. Thank you.
In my version of the film, Anjali will stay put with Aman because that relationship is making so much more sense to me. I feel like Aman has invested quite a lot of time in that relationship and he does look like a big green flag. So I don't think Rahul and Anjali are really ending up together because when Rahul did not see Anjali that first time around, I don't think he deserves to see her the way she is the second time around because Anjali has done a lot of work on herself and evolved.
Rahul and Anjali conspired to kill Tina to get her wealth. Then they wrote the letters to Kid Anjali so that Kid Anjali would think it was her idea to bring them together. It's a perfect murder.
This is my alternate ending for the film. So, Kajol actually poisoned Rani Mukherjee. It's an untraceable poison. Everybody thought it was cancer, but it wasn't. Kajol is the killer.
It was
And at the end of the movie,
poisoning.
when they're getting married, Kajol puts the haar in Shah Rukh's. Shah Rukh ke gale mein haar dalti hai, and then she looks to the camera and smiles. And then young Anjali
I like this
is
version,
scared
Karan.
shitless.
Let's make it.
Look, we spent a lot of time criticizing things about Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and pointing out flaws in it and all these plot holes. And I just think it is a film made with so much love and conviction that, and it believes in every ridiculous thing that it's doing. Like, he wrote 8 letters for his daughter, and she can't read 7 of them almost, right? But that's the beauty of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. It's the belief, it's that love triumphs in the end. And I think that's what endures, 25 years later.
ये दुपट्टा मैं आप तीनों पे फेंकती हूँ.
I love it. I love the dupatta at the end, actually.
Oh,
It's
God.
fab.
Like when I've spoken about the film, I know you fired me a couple of times and said that, stop trying to kind of apologize for some of the gender politics or something. Because that was a different time. Like, it was a different... I learned from Hindi cinema. So whatever the film had, it was not me, thinking inappropriately. It was just that what my mind was trained to be.
Just shut up.
You have something to say?
No.
You're giving me those looks. That's why
Because
I'm
you're
asking.
just sitting and defending something that we did 25 years back, which actually did well.
No.
Just...
I'm very proud of my first
Thank
film.
you very much.
Rani, you went on an interview recently and you said some very entertaining things. I have to say, one of the entertaining things were like when somebody asked you, when are you going to do a mature love story? And you said, only the women mature. The men just keep getting younger. Why is it that when we are asked this question, it's about maturity, but the leading men are allowed to prance around with girls less than half their age? Is that a truth of life? It is.
Not of life. I think it's the truth of cinema. And not particularly cinema of the world, but I think Indian cinema.
Yeah.
I think it's the truth of society, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also.
I mean, you see men who have,
films also just replicate
you
what
have,
is happening in reality.
Exactly. You have older men having younger wives and nobody raises an eyebrow.
Yeah.
But at the same, and let me be honest, this has been happening since time immemorial. You've had 30-year-old men getting married to 13-year-old girls for God knows how many, hundreds of years.
Yeah.
And
But
I guess it's
but then if there's an older woman and a younger man, then it becomes...
So it's always the men who have this privilege of continuously playing the leading man.
No, I don't... I think it's what we want to accept and what we don't want to accept. So I think it comes from a collective thought process that has been told to us from childhood. And that is what we're following because we're not using our brains.
No, but as she rightfully said, when you get offered a film, it's like the mother role, the mature love story.
No, it's not happened to me.
No, but actually it is. I mean, it's the truth. It is not true to the men who don't want to suddenly they don't want to age. Interestingly, though, when you said it's been happening, Shah Rukh Khan did play father in our film. Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. He was 32 years old, and there was no problem. But today, you ask a 32-year-old if they will play a father of an 8-year-old.
I played a mom when I was 27 years old.
Yes, but it's not the case today, right? It is when you get offered the roles, it's always you feel I would say that the industry can be ageist. It's not kind to...
No, I don't think it's only the industry. Let's not be harsh on the industry. I think industry does what they expect, whether it will be accepted by the audience or not.
But how do we know? The audience may just very well accept a love story. It would be lovely to see a Shah Rukh Kajal romance today. Why wouldn't we want to see it?
Because a filmmaker like you is not making it.
And cut to next question, please.
I have been put in my place. Thank you very much.
Segment number 3 begins.
I think before anything else...
Let's take a break.
No! Let's just get the hell out of here and run out. While we know we're all shooting at Wirehead Studio, so this is pretty much Malkin Studio and she can throw me out.
AC भी कम नहीं कर रहे हो तुम लोग.
Yeah, because Malkin ने बोला ना, Malkin ने बोल दिया कि AC नहीं कम कर सकते. Hey, she said like that.
Such
She just looked
lies.
up.
You're
All right.
We're on camera, babe.
This is really fun and fantastic, and it's really a grand coffee date I'm having with both of you. And some very exciting conversations are happening on this couch. But it's time to play some games.
I actually really like your couch.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
And a lot of exciting things have happened on this couch.
What? Like?
What?
Like what?
Like conversations. Why you all have that dirty minds. All right. It's now fun time. It's quiz time. We get to play a game and let's see who's good at... This is how well do you know your films and how well do you know your husband's filmographies as well. All right. Can you dabao your so you're the Tweety bird and you are the... You have to press and answer. You're the woodpecker. You're the woodpecker and you're the Tweety. So you must understand...
should be
Just because it's coffee with Karan, I'm just
Continue.
taking it
The
as it comes.
woodpecker.
Yeah, woodpecker, yeah.
Like this is the sound.
Yeah.
Here goes.
Your hand, babe.
This is
Hold
the
it in your
Rani
hand.
and Kajal
Press it
quiz. Rani
just
and
when it
Kajal
needs
quiz.
to be done.
Are you ready? God. All right, here goes. How many films have Shah Rukh and Kajol done together as a lead pair? I'm giving you options. 6, 7, 8, 9.
6.
Wrong. You get a chance.
7.
Right. You just guessed, but it is 7 films. All right. 1 point to you, 0 to you. All right. Another math question for both of you. Let me just finish this and go home.
Okay.
Another math question. Juhi holds a record of having done the maximum number of films with Shah Rukh Khan. How many films? Your options are 9, 10, 11.
10.
Wrong. You?
11.
Wrong. 9. 9 films. All rubbish. No, you're not even counting in your heads and doing any thought process. Just aiming anything you're saying. Okay. Kajal.
You're going to win with just one.
Kajal, stop it. Kajal.
You're going to win with just that one right answer.
Okay.
Ask us questions that we have
Acha.
answers to, na?
One Rani Mukherjee film Kajal has made a special appearance in.
Kal ho na ho.
Wrong.
Kank!
You got his now.
Kank!
No, but you said
No,
Kalona
I
first.
pressed it and I gave the answer,
No,
Karan.
you gave-
I gave the
your
answer.
first answer is the
I
answer.
said Kank. I said Kank. I get this.
Your first answer is the answer. Just keep quiet. I can't bear this
Can I
noise.
answer this?
No, it is done now.
Can.
Yeah, you said better. Okay.
Kank.
One Kajal film.
So it's one
I
and one.
said
No, you, Baba,
I
it
said
doesn't
Kank.
get transferred.
She didn't
course
say
it gets
Kank.
transferred.
It
I
does
said
not
Kank.
get transferred.
Okay,
These
ठीक
are
है,
my
she
rules,
gets
my
it.
game.
Yeah, 1-1.
She gets it.
No, but I'm
Kajal
not
will give
giving
1-1.
her that point.
1-1.
I mean, you can give her the point. You are not the master of ceremonies. 1 minute. One Kajal film.
Hey, मेरे को एक खाली मग दो कोई. मेरे को एक खाली मग दो.
Are you going to assault me?
Yeah, she is.
Yes.
Here's the question. One Kajol film in which Rani had a special appearance. How are you so stupid that you don't know this answer is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham?
Rani had a special appearance in the film.
Meaning she was the girl Shah Rukh wanted.
Sure, special appearance.
Of course she was a special appearance.
Oh.
Okay, now, you know you're not really stupid. I don't know. Next question. Name the Rani Mukherjee film that is named after a color.
Black.
Correct. Thank God. Named after a poisonous 8-legged creature.
Bichu?
Yes! Kajal, you are right. You didn't be, but it was Bichu.
Yeah.
It was right?
Yeah. You all know nothing about this Guddu Dhanava's film.
I know.
But you didn't guess.
But I said it.
But when you
I
said
get two now.
poisonous creature, I was like,
It
what
is
is
a
this
bichu
film
is
that
an
I've done? Poisonous 8-legged creature.
It's not 8 legs, by the way.
Bichu?
Bichu is a scorpion and he doesn't have 8 legs. He has 4 legs.
But you said Bichu when I said 8
But
legs.
that's the point is that I meant spider when it came out Bichu. I meant to say spider. Shut up. Came out. Okay, next.
You wanted to say Mak.
Worst
I wanted to
players
say
of the
Makri
quiz.
and Bichu came out.
A Shah Rukh Khan film, and you have to press the buzzer. A Shah Rukh Khan film where both of you had a special appearance.
Arey na. Kal ho na ho.
Correct.
No, Om Shanti Om.
And Ushanti, but she said Kalona first. It's right. All right. Guess the following film titles with their English translations. Never Say Goodbye.
Kabhi alvida na kehna.
Correct.
But I pressed the buzzer.
But she answered with
But
the
I
buzzer.
pressed the buzzer.
No, but
I
not-
thought I was supposed to press the buzzer.
What the has? What?
What did you mean? What did you mean to say?
What? What the heart must do.
De kya kare?
Yes. What the look staring at me like a duffer like that?
What the?
It is dil kya kare?
I said
Sounds like what the
I
fart
said
must
it.
do.
Okay.
That's what the heart must
All
do.
right. Okay.
Shut the room.
Which? I'm sorry, I can't. I just can't. My stomach is hurting. Ow. which of the following is not a real movie title? Is not a real movie title. मुर्दे की जान खतरे में, बेगम जान हुई परेशान, राजा रानी को चाहिए पसीना.
राजा रानी को चाहिए पसीना.
Not correct. The second is दो लड़के दोनों कड़के, दो लड़के दोनों कड़के, 11,000 लड़कियां, बलमा आइटम नंबर 1 वाह.
11,000 लड़के.
Wrong.
दो लड़के. I said दो लड़के.
Both of you are wrong. The film that is not a film is Balma item number 1 वाह.
What? I'm
Yes.
registering it now.
All right, and now guess the movies from their plots. A driver's.
Hey,
Just
stop, babe. 1 second.
Missed.
wait. A driver's daughter becomes a model and finds herself in a love triangle with the two sides of her. Yeah, press it, na? Yeah. Okay. A small town pair of con artists steal from the rich.
Bunty or Bubbly?
Correct. She said.
Hey,
she
no,
said.
I got it. I
No, no,
said
she
Bunty or
said,
Bubbly.
she
I
said.
said Bunty
She
or
said it. And the last one. An introverted man falls in love with the daughter of his former professor who's a vivacious dancer.
Lolita.
What?
Lolita.
What?
Lolita.
रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. You're mad or what?
It's Rab ne bana di jodi. How can you describe it like that?
Now y'all are both tie, and now the tiebreaker question is my famous question. What is the name of the dog in Hum Aapke Hain Kaun?
Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Bunty.
Tuffy. It is Tuffy. And Tuffy. It is not Fluffy. Tuffy. Yes. The worst played quiz in the history of
We
Coffee
played
with
very
Karan.
well. We played fabulously well. You keep quiet.